Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on private wealth trading clients. I'm back with another video. I'm going to do a quick, interesting forecast of US 30 and what I see it doing for the following week. I'm gonna really also show you guys some really cool stuff that you can learn from this video. And it's just a simple price action analysis. It is so simple. And what I love about this strategy is that it is so easy to implement. It is really simple and it's so accurate and so easy to read. And this is how I plan on catching all my trades for the following week ahead. Okay, so I'm on US 30 right now, monthly time frame, and I'm gonna set these two levels as my resistance. Okay, this is going to be my monthly resistance right over here. Okay, and then I'm going to have this as my support. As you can see, I've explained this many times in my previous videos, okay, about support and resistance and what happens when each level is broken. So this was our resistance. Price rejected a few times, stayed below. It broke out and then came back and retested. So this will be a very important area of support for me on the monthly time frame. Now then we go to the smaller time frame, okay? And in the smaller time frame on the weekly, we see a trend forming over there. And so far this trend has been broken, okay? And so then I expect it to be retesting on the most previous higher low, okay? On the most previous higher low. And again, in my previous videos, I've shown you guys price structure and trends and how to read them. Okay, we have our higher low over here, right? This is now our lower low, higher low, lower low, um lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is the most recent lower high, okay? And I expect price to be retesting somewhere there if it would like to retest that area, okay? If not, I am going to be expecting price to be buying all the way to this monthly resistance, okay? And complete the 90% rule of the trend line. And again, I have explained that in my previous videos, okay? And so that will be my target, all right? But a weekly level where I can sit is I don't see a place where I can actually set a weekly level. Okay, I don't want to set my weekly level around here, but maybe I should put it around about this area. Okay, the nearest lower high, that will be my weekly level. Okay, and I want to see what price is gonna do in this level. Okay, and I see what price will do in this area. Will it break and retest and lower time frames and continue to buy? I don't know. But that was where I was setting my weekly level, because what we had was we had it act as support, price broke it, okay, retested, okay, and continued selling. And now price is buying and expected price to perhaps reject this area, but it is not doing that. I am not surprised because I had just shown you guys that we have a trend line over here, and I'm expecting price to buy all the way to this monthly resistance, okay, and respecting and completing our 90% rule of trend lines. So that's what I'm expecting, okay? So perhaps if price will do that, I expect price to break this level, retest it, okay? And then we head up to the upside. That's what I'd be expecting for US 30. Now going down to our daily. Going down to our daily, okay? Now what we see here is price looked like it did break. Then it retested and gave another bullish engulfing candle, completely taking out the previous candle. Okay, and now we're waiting to see what's happening over here, okay, it might be forming more buying momentum, okay, because what could possibly form here is another bullish candle indicating a 3 pin, and you can hit to the upside, another signal for a buy. But that is what I see so far for US30, okay. And yeah, that's what I see so far for US30. If I'm looking for any more levels over here, there's no other level I can actually set on the daily. I don't see any other level I can set. Let me quickly go to the 4 hour time frame, jump to the 4 hour and see. Right. Okay. Now on the 4 hour, we have been on a buying trend. Okay, on the daily in the 4 hour. We've been basically on a buying trend, okay? Higher high, lower lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. And that's how the trend has been going since this monthly support over here. Since this monthly support over here, we've been in a buying trend, okay? But now we are coming across major reversal zones. This weekly resistance is a major reversal zone. And price rejected it once, okay? And then came back again, okay? Made a retest around this area, okay? And then price, what it had done is, after coming back and retesting this area, continued to the upside, all right? And after doing that, it came back, okay? Um, Came back and retested another area over here, okay? After breaking, after price rejecting this area for a while, it broke again, came back, retested, and then came up for a buy again. So I'm expecting price to make further buys. I'm expecting price to make further buys as these areas are being retested. So I expect price to make further buys. And that is what I can see on US30. So my main focus will be this area. This will be my main focus. Okay, that will be my main focus. This area will be my main focus. Because what we have here, if I go to the higher time frame, okay, this is our most recent. This area here is our most recent higher high, okay. This is our most recent higher low, right over here. So actually, I want to focus on this area. And I want to see what price does in that area actually. All right. Will it break the previous higher highs? Will it break previous higher lows? Okay. We don't know. But this is something that we'll be waiting for. Okay. That is something that I'm looking into. Okay. And that is the area of price where I'll be focusing on the most recent and previous higher lows and lower highs. And if I had jumped to my 1 hour time frame, okay, what I see here is a trend line. I see a trend line. This is what I see. I see a trend line in this area. All right. So since I see a trend line in this area, okay, and I see another resistance zone right over there, okay. So this is very important, okay, because my main focus is this area, all right, this area that's in this box, all right. And in this area, what we have over here, okay, is a forming trend line, right? So we had a change of structure. We were buying, okay, and our price made a higher high, okay, a higher high. And that is completely normal because in the buying trend, you got higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. So after price made this higher high, price is now making a lower high. If I am to change direction on US 30 and break of structure, I expect price to take out the most recent lower high, break out of this box that I've set here, retest, and then that is when I can be looking for selling opportunities on US 30. Otherwise, I'm still looking for buying long term and selling short term. All right. That will be the case with the US 30 for now. So we have a trend line over here. We've got our first touch, second touch. We have got a point of resistance where price is failing to break. All right. So this is just pointing out for sells. Okay. We've got this box, this area where price made its higher high. Okay. And now price could be making higher lows. All right. It could be making its higher low. Perhaps can be making its last higher low over here before going to the upside, because this is the most recent um higher low on a 4 hour time frame. Okay, if I could just look carefully, if I could just check again, yeah, this is our major high low. Okay, our most recent major high low. All right, and then price made a higher high. Okay, so now price will be selling to form another higher low. And if I'm to start selling US 30 on the overall, I expect price to take out this major high low, retest, and that will be the break of structure, and you continue selling. But otherwise, I will now be looking for short-term sales and long-term buys because I'm still in a buying trend for US 30. All right, because what I'm expecting for US 30, I expect US 30 to break this trend line. Okay, break out of this box, and we'll continue looking for buying positions. But right now, in a short-term sell, because we have a trend line, we have a first touch, second touch, and we have a area of resistance where price rejected a few times, one, two, three times. Okay, and now we can be looking to head to the downside, and this will be my area of take profit. This area will be my area of take profits for US 30. Okay, I would enter, yeah, I would enter a selling position, have this as my stop loss, and this will be my take profit into this area. Okay, and it will not take, and what I'm predicting is we will take profit in this area, and after that continue for another buying position on US 30. Okay, that is what I'm looking for. And then we'll be forming a lower high, and then we'll be continuing to break this previous higher high and continue for more buying pressure. And as you can see, price is forming a three pin. We had a bullish candle, a pin. Now we're having a bearish candle going to the downside, and that is now forming like a three pin pattern. Okay, and so that is signaling that US 30 is actually selling for the short term. All right, for the short term. And when price is done selling, okay, I'll be setting this as a support area, that when price hits TP around this area, I'm expecting price to now form a resistance, expecting price to reject, and I will hit up to the upside to make a higher high, breaking our previous higher high and looking for more buying pressure, and breaking out of this trend line and looking for more buying pressure. So that is what I can see with US 30. Or what price can do is it can continue to break this area of support, and you just retest and you go down for a break of structure for more sales on US30. That is what I'll be expecting on this pay. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'll be expecting on US30. All right. I'll set this as my uh higher low. Okay. I mean, yeah, higher low. Now this will be my lower low. Sorry, lower high. This will be my lower high. This is gonna be my lower low. Okay. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high. Lower low. And this is almost previous lower high. All right. And price is failing um to break through this resistance. Okay. So now I'm expecting price to make another um lower low. Okay. And then head up to the upside after respecting these levels, this area over here, or either these two support areas, and we can head up to the upside for a buy. So that is what I see happening. Let me just take out these lower lows over here because this is actually consolidation over here. Okay, let's not put lower highs and lower lows in here, so I don't want to confuse you. This will just simply be a consolidation. All right, so those are lower lows and lower highs and lower low. And what I expect price to be doing is I expect it to be buying here on this level over here after making another lower low, and then we break the structure and we head to the upside. That is what I'm expecting for US30 right now. Very simple analysis. Very simple analysis, not something very difficult. Okay, fairly simple. And I broke down how you guys can also use candle confirmations by the 3 pin that I just spoke about. But yes, I'll be looking for a position, a short term position over here. This is where I can set my stop loss, and that can be my, yeah, this is how I can take the trade. All right, but because I want a less risky a trade, what I can do is I can, no, actually, no, this is actually the level, yeah. This will be the entry. This will be the entry. Yeah, this will be the entry. The stop loss and the TP. So that's it for my analysis on US30. I'll keep on updating you guys throughout the week how this pair will actually play out. All right. I'll give you guys an update. I'll perhaps do another video on YouTube this week, giving you guys a breakdown of how price is actually playing out on US30. But this is how I see my trade, okay, playing out right now. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and please share this video because this is really good knowledge for free. Okay, you guys are actually just getting all this knowledge for free, and I'm actually like showing you guys how I'm going to be trading for the week. This is how I trade. Okay, I don't use anything else. This is how I just simply trade. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and please share this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video once I give you guys an update on US30.